working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
All right, so this is the same hair. Look at this hair, you guys. Like, I have told you about this hair. Look how gorgeous this hair is. Like, I haven't really cut this hair at all since I got it. Look at this hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Like absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, we're back, and this year I am giving my hair breaks. You will see a lot of wig content on here, and I'll also be doing a lot of vlogging on here. And last year was just a really hard year. Last year just was a really hard year. I don't know what it was. It's just, I think when that man is in office, and then especially around November, which is just, I have 2 birthdays in November. It's my daughter's and son's birthday. And I don't know if you're new here, or I never really explained it. My mom passed on my son's birthday, so it's kind of hard for me. I nearly forgot his birthday last year because I'm trying to forget the day itself ever happened. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Like, I'm trying to like erase time. And at the same time, my child's birthday was forgotten. So that's hard. That's hard. So this is a unit that I made. This is still the same hair. If you guys remember the Burmese curly, this is the Burmese curly. I'll just flat iron this hair, and we're about to cut and curl it. I was going to curl it off of my head, and I may still do that, but for right now we're going to try to curl her on my head. It really doesn't matter, but I kind of want to be able to cut it properly, so I feel like it'll be better if I did that off my head, more or less. So yeah. And so this is what I've been wearing. But I've been wearing it in its natural state, which is with the waves. I washed this hair like 3 times this week trying to make this video, because it's something about my outside hair. I don't like wearing my outside hair inside. It looks like it's growing out of my head. So yeah, kudos for that. Kudos for that. And we're just gonna move the mannequin over so it's not blocking any views. We're gonna get into curling this hair, but again, this is what the hair looks like. And when I tell you guys this hair is so gorgeous, let me get a comb. All right, so this is the same hair. Look at this hair, you guys. Like, I have told you about this hair. Look how gorgeous this hair is. Like, I haven't really cut this hair at all since I got it. And look at this hair. Like, it's freshly washed, like I said. Okay, I wear it outside, and then I have to come home and wash it, especially if I'm gonna be doing a video on it, and I'm gonna be in my house with my house clothes on. But do you not see the blend? And I mean thick. So this is 4 bundles of the Burmese curly from Goddess Hair Factory on IG. Absolutely gorgeous. Like absolutely gorgeous. Like, I could literally wear this hair like that. But we are gonna put some curls in it and get that like really beautiful body hair, and that is the goal. And I'm also going to go get my hair braided, and I'll bring that video to you. I'm gonna get my hair braided down, and I'm going to sew this unit onto my hair instead of doing a full sew-in. So I'll be bringing that to you as well. So dry. I like that with skincare. But really wash my face and do hyaluronic acid. I haven't done my vitamin C. This is supposed to be a lip plumper by this brand. I don't know. I was just freaking out on how gorgeous the hair is. Like, of course, while I'm shooting this video, I'm also making short form content, but I do want you guys to see before I start chopping and curling at this hair how gorgeous this hair is. Like, I wore this hair for 3 months. Like, I wore this hair for 3 months. Took it out, threw it in a bag, didn't even wash it. Then I was like, okay, well, I'm ready to wear it. So I washed it, and then I colored it. I colored it blue black. And like, look at this hair on me. Like, and this is a 26 inch. And this is a Burmese wavy hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, absolutely. I almost hate that I told you guys about the hair vendor. Because now you guys are going to buy only from them. And if I wanted to, like, sell hair, they would be my vendor. But, oh my God, look at this hair. Like, I don't know if I want the hair to be curly anymore. Like, I don't know if I want to curl it. I think I'm not going to crazy chop it. I'm going to get body curls, but I'm not going to crazy chop the hair because that doesn't make sense. Like, the more I look at this hair, I'm like, that might not make sense. You know? Because look, I'm on my TV test. Look how freaking gorgiana this is. Yeah. A lot of girls don't care. They just chop up their hair. I be caring, babes. I be caring. I really be caring. I be caring like a Karen, though. I be caring like a Karen. It's a fire unit. And I think the next one I make is going to be a full all over wig. Got me a T3 because I have been dying for this T3 color. But it's like $200 on Amazon. I got it for $59.99 at Marshall's during the holiday season. So T. So happy to have her. Can't wait to check her out, turn her on, and then you guys get to be the first ones to see how gorgeous she curls. So let's get into it. First impressions, she's super light. Of course it's plastic. That's like some sort of, I don't know. I didn't read any instructions. Do y'all read instructions when you know how to use something? I don't. Okay, so she came in this little, the cord came in plastic. She came in a box. T3 little wrappy thing. Yeah, I think she's gorgeous. This is the stand here. There's a little rubber there, metal piece, and then it has, that way you would sit it on your counter. I would still recommend using a cloth. Okay, so this is how you turn it on and off. So it's blinking 1 light, now 2. If I want 3, now 3. I need to see how hot that is. 5 is hot. And I'm still gonna put like a cloth down. I have a towel, which is something I just wipe my counters with. I'm gonna use that because she's white. It's white. I just want to test it, and then I'm probably gonna move it to the mannequin because that way I can see better. But I just want to try it out and just see what one curl will do. Right? Not too big of a curl. All right, let's see what one curl will do. We have these two, which is the Bombshell and the Joyco. One's a finishing spray and one's it adds body. So we're gonna go with the Bombshell. I don't like spraying my hair at all, but let's see, because we're curling, so I'm sure we need to use something, not too much. The reason I'm really doing this is for the curling of the hair. Honey, I promise you, I'm doing all this because I want to curl the hair. It's actually hot as hell. Y'all see that smoke? I do one of these and disappear and come back with a head full of curls, y'all won't be mad, right? Because you know curling take time. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I almost don't want to let her go, but I kind of want to see what kind of curl she creates. This is the curl I got from that. Again, this hair is super long. It doesn't have any layers in it, so yeah.
They call me the captain, the catwalk assassin. When they know what's slapping, then here come the yapping.
It's just one thing I need you to do. I want you to strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, walk, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, bucket like a mechanical bull. Buck, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, walk, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike. A good night, flow, money is full. Look at that horse, look at that horse, look at that horse. Pretty as hell, I'm natural, done it on horse. Strike, buck, strike, bucket, whoa, strike, buck, strike, bucket, a good night, whoa, strike, yeah.
They call me the captain, the catwalk assassin. When they know what's slapping, then here come the yapping.
It's just one thing I need you to do. I want you to strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, walk, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, bucket like a mechanical bull. Buck, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike, walk, strike, buck, strike, buck, strike. A good night, the money is full.
She is so
Look at that horse, look at that horse, look at that horse. Pretty as hell, I'm natural, done it on horse. Strike, buck, strike, bucket, whoa, strike, buck, strike, bucket, a good night, whoa, strike, yeah.